I would like to thank all the MCA aspirants for downloading our MCA learning app coursEdu, launched by Infomaths. As you all know, Infomaths is a leading institute for the MCA entrance of the last 20 years. Our expert faculty is always there to help you out to crack the top examinations like JNU, DU, NITs and IIT, BHU of India and various other state level universities obviously. Now dear students, we are out with the new app that is coursEdu, and a new feature is going to be added in our coursEdu app. Again, a new feather in our cap. That is a new test series course, which is really a very good advantage for you all people. And second thing, it is totally free of cost. We have kept this course free of cost to make you all people, MCA aspirants, take the advantage of Infomaths expert faculty. You can enjoy the expertise, you can enjoy being studying with them, and definitely your success is definitely a very good short pathway you will like. Now students, how this new course will act? First of all, as you have downloaded our app coursEdu, you will find a course by the name of Test Series Challenger Test Series course. Register in that Challenger Test Series course. Every morning, you will find a set of 30 questions which are uploaded in the format of an online test. You have to attempt that online test. Obviously, after completing the set of 30 questions, the result of the test is amongst you people. Again, in the end of the day, at around 6 p.m, we will be uploading the solutions for the set of 30 questions, which you can download and you can go through the solutions. And the new thing in the app is we will be discussing these questions on our YouTube channel, that is Infomaths India. So again, I would like to request you people that if you have downloaded coursEdu and you have subscribed to our test series app, do please like our YouTube channel Infomaths India. Over there, you will find the set of questions which you have attempted in the morning. The discussion of those set of questions is done on Infomaths India YouTube channel. And if you want to have a permanent PDF of these 30 questions which are uploaded on coursEdu, you can finally like our Facebook page Infomaths India, over which we have uploaded the 30 questions. Now, what is other options, what are the other arenas of this app, of this test series is? It is having a very good advantage for MCA aspirants. First of all, you are making, whether you are self-studying or you are taking the coachings from any other good institute, obviously you will analyze yourself, because these questions will be typically different questions, a very good quality questions which are being prepared by a faculty which are having a good expertise of minimum 20 years only in MCA entrance. So the expert faculty will be preparing these questions and you can see where your lagging is. So now the question comes, what is the advantage of this app or the test series which you have subscribed from Infomaths coursEdu app? So first of all, you are able to analyze what is your preparation is, which is going up. As the NIMSET is coming very close, JNU is coming, DU is coming. So you can analyze your preparation, whether you are self-studying or you are taking coachings from any institute. You can analyze your preparations by attempting this set of very good questions which are prepared by an expert 20 years faculty. Second thing, you will be given the various mock test series on the same app, and the mock test will be the same pattern of the university paper. And third, you will be getting a nationalized ranking of yourself. How? Now definitely, on this app we have 2,000 plus registered users. All the users are MCA aspirants, definitely true. And these all MCA aspirants will be taking this test series, and a nationalized ranking will be in front of you in the end of every test. So it helps you to analyze where you people stand after a good preparation between amongst all other 2,000 to 2,500 plus students which are regular visitors of this app who are studying with us. And dear students, again, I thank you all for having a good trust in us, being with us, and definitely taking the video lectures, taking the material, and definitely all the best for your MCA 2020 MCA examinations.